In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Google SafeSearch using a PC, laptop, or computer. SafeSearch is a built-in Google feature that helps filter out explicit or inappropriate content from your search results. It can be very useful if you share your computer with family members, especially kids, or if you simply prefer a cleaner browsing experience. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on or off, and what each option means so you know you're choosing what's right for you. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like, as long as you can access Google. In the address bar at the top, type google.com and press Enter to go to the Google homepage. Once you're on Google's main page, look toward the top right corner. You should see a button or link labeled Settings. On some versions, it might appear at the bottom of the page instead. So if you don't see it at the top, just scroll down and check the footer area. Click on Settings and then select Search Settings from the menu that appears. This will open a new page where you can customize how Google behaves for your searches. On the Search Settings page, the first section you'll usually see is labeled Safe Search Filters, or simply SafeSearch. Here you'll find a checkbox or toggle. If you want to turn SafeSearch on, make sure this box is checked or the toggle is switched on. This will help block explicit images, videos, and websites from your Google search results. If you want to turn SafeSearch off and see all results without filtering, uncheck the box or turn the toggle off. After you've made your choice, don't scroll away just yet. Move down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This step is important because if you don't save your changes, Google will not apply your new SafeSearch setting. Once you click Save, Google may briefly confirm that your preferences have been updated. From now on, your searches in that browser will follow the SafeSearch setting you just selected. If you use multiple browsers or devices, remember you may need to repeat these steps on each one. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to turn Google SafeSearch on or off using your computer.